I'm gonna show you how you can make an outline on your emojis, and also you can even do this with a regular picture by erasing the background and adding an outline to a regular photo. So let's open the app. This is the app BAZAART. We're gonna go to the bottom. I'm gonna tap on this plus sign. You have these options. In this case, we're gonna use the one of PNG, which works better. And I'm gonna pick the square project, tap on the green check mark, and then you're gonna go to photos and you're gonna pick a photo. I have this one already created, so this is the one that I'm gonna use. And then I'm gonna go to the bottom and I'm gonna look for the option that says outline. Once you're there, this right here, this option, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the outline. I always use it like around here, and on the right side you can see the different colors that you can use with this effect. In this case, I'm gonna just pick white. I always use white. I love the way it looks. So tap on check and then tap on save, and this is the final result right here. As you can see, it doesn't have a background, it's a PNG image, and as you can see, this one has no outline and this one has it, and here you have another emoji with the same effect.